Okay, this is probably gonna be one of the silliest thing you've seen in a while. It's how I reuse, how I keep using this old mouse pad that I have. Uh, Given that I have asthma and there's this whole lockdown and dangerous virus around, I'm actually in the risk group, and I have to avoid all contact and everything. So obviously I can't get many new things now. Try to avoid, deliveries and going out buying stuff, any human contact at all, direct or indirect. But I did this even before the virus struck. So it's one of these, I don't know, it's not Steel Series, it's not Steel Series kind of pad. Then I have my mouse. It's a laser mouse, Logitech M705. An absolute piece of crap. I don't recommend it at all. Other than the interesting thing with the scroll, and it has a mechanism to basically let it loose, disable that clicking, and it scrolls a whole lot by itself. Other than that, no. The precision is totally crap. I've got better precision with like $5 shopping mall kind of mice. I'm really disappointed, and it's a lot of money here for just the mouse. So there's that as well. And obviously, among all the other crap, it doesn't slide very easily on the mouse pad, but I found a way. I take some paraffin wax candles. They're basically everywhere. You probably have seen thousands of them by now. I just drag it along its surface, cover up the whole area nicely like this, and then take this guy here, plug in a hairdryer, also fax gomot. Just let my wife know I'll make some noise. And then watch this. There you go. You have a cool thin layer of paraffin wax all over. I should let you know that this has been spray painted before. It's just something that I tried. I had no idea if it will ruin it or not. But it turns out it was a great idea because it creates this layer that can get waxed on top, so that's a good idea. Paraffin has a very low melting point. I think it's just around body temperature. I think it's 37, 38 degrees Celsius, somewhere around that value. And then I just let it cool. And you have a nice sliding surface. I don't even think you need to let it cool down. Yep, slides so smoothly. The only downside is you gotta keep doing this from time to time because it scrapes off, you know, as you work your mouse around it. Look at this. It totally slides really nicely. Well, yeah, quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching.